This beautiful home has a large formal dining room. The primary suite features a tray ceiling, double vanities, a separate tile shower and large walk-in closet. For those cold winter nights, the family room features a fireplace with gas logs. There is also a huge laundry room and a kitchen pantry. This subdivision also has sidewalks and underground utilities. The HVAC has a warranty through Hiller that conveys. Most light fixtures in the home have been replaced within the last year. The majority of the interior of the home has been freshly painted. The water heater and dishwasher are within a year old and the refrigerator is within 2 years of age. A wood-burning fire pit is in the backyard. This is an extra touch for entertaining guests. Home also has a large covered back porch and a large fenced-in backyard. And to top it off, there is a wood-burning fire pit is in the backyard. This is an extra touch for